Hey guys, my name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. On this quick video, I'm going to take you guys through the back end of the Pacific franchise owners' access to all their financial documents and everything like that. So, common misconception that a lot of guys have when coming into our system, or maybe not coming into our system, is they think that somehow we're in control of your money. But actually, if you're a franchise owner, it's your own business. It's your own money. The money goes completely into your bank account. We don't have anything to do with the control of that. We help you on the other end. We help you with the advertising. We help you to keep everything organized and situated, and we guide you. But in terms of the money, it's your money. When you make it, it's yours. So I'm going to take you guys through a little bit of the back end and how you can actually access and look at all your finances if you're a Pacific franchise owner. Okay, so this is kind of like the back end dashboard here. This is what you'll see as a franchisee. So if you come in here, there's a lot of different things you can do. But the first thing is let's look at the reports section here. So basically you can access anything regarding your entire company, your money, everything here. So you got accounts payable, basically, which suppliers do you owe money to, accounts receivable, which customers owe you money. Okay, you can go through all these different reports if you want to. Basically, the bookkeepers who basically work for you will input everything into here and organize it all for you. This way you, as the franchise owner, can sit back and basically take a look at everything from a higher level and just look at all the different reports. Okay, so one of the things we'll review here is basically the financial statements. So different things such as a balance sheet and income statement. So for this video, let's just review an income statement. Okay, so this is what an income statement looks like, and obviously we're just using an old one here just for purposes. This was my old company when I used to run a franchise. So this is from 2016. So if you look at the first thing here, we're talking about maintenance and service calls, okay? So that's basically the money that you collect as the franchise owner just for your maintenance and service visits alone. So if your service call is $70 or your winterization is $70, all that money is accumulated in this top number right here. Okay, so this sheet's showing the difference from one year to the next. So this is 2016 versus 2015. So you can see here in 2016, this company did $200,000 in maintenance and service calls, which was $20,000 more than their prior year. Okay, this is a great sheet to look at as you're running through with your franchise, and just kind of pop this open every so often and keep track of where you're at and gauge where you are to the year prior. You always want to increase. That's always what we're looking to do here. So repair and service work. Okay, so this company did $244,000 in basic repairs. So this is small repairs, changing out heads, valves, adding a couple heads, maybe adding some drip, changing a clock or something. This is your basic service work repairs kind of built into this number. So as you can see, we always want to increase from the year before. All right, so as you're going down, you're keeping track of where you're at. Some of these numbers aren't computed on here. Again, this is an old kind of formatted sheet. Lighting work, I know we probably did more than this, but you get the idea. It shows your lighting service work here. As you come down, so if you're an installation guy and you're doing installations as part of your franchise, your installation number would sit here. So this year we did $452,000 just in installations alone, which is significantly higher than the year before. So again, that's the whole point of the Pacific system, is we make this number grow every year. We retain customers. We have a system to upsell our other services such as holiday lighting, drainage, stuff like that. So part of our system is we're always increasing as time goes on. And as you start increasing these numbers, that's when you can start adding on more trucks and eventually hopefully get to the level of where you're kind of managing the trucks that are out there and not necessarily working in the field every day. So big one here, holiday lighting. Okay, we did almost $80,000 in holiday lighting that year. Didn't really go up that much, unfortunately, but that's still a lot of money in holiday lighting. I know a lot of guys who come to us for the system, they're not really interested in holiday lighting, or they think it's so far from irrigation that they kind of just want nothing to do with it. But obviously it brings in a lot of money, and over time this will keep growing and growing. So you can see here, basically you're always looking at your total income, right? And this year did almost 1.1 versus 845. So that's a significant increase from the year before.